Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Firefox browser is blocking Google or other websites and displaying the SSL error bad MAC alert message, it means your browser's secure connection handshake is being interrupted or scrambled by conflicting network settings. I will show you exactly how to bypass this security block and fix your connection right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for this specific Google connection error in Firefox is a bug with the zero round-trip time resumption feature, also known as TLS 1.3 early data. To fix this, open your Firefox browser, type about:config directly into your address bar, and press Enter. Click the button to accept the risk and continue. In the advanced search bar at the very top of the new page, carefully type the exact phrase security.tls.enable_0RTT_data to locate the proper network setting. You will see a toggle button on the right side of the screen. Click it once to change the value from true to false. Finally, restart your Firefox browser completely, and your connection to Google should now work perfectly. Next, if changing the internal configuration did not work, your third-party antivirus software might be aggressively intercepting your secure web traffic and breaking the certificates. If you use a security program like Sophos, Avast, or Kaspersky, you need to temporarily disable its active web filtering. Open your main antivirus interface and navigate directly to its core protection settings or Web Shield menu. Look for an option explicitly labeled Enable HTTPS Scanning or Web Shield and turn it completely off. Restart your Firefox browser and try loading the web page again to see if the secure connection is successfully established. Finally, if the error persists, a misconfigured system proxy might be routing your traffic incorrectly and triggering the MAC alert. Open your Firefox browser, click the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down the General section until you find the Network Settings block and click on the Settings button. In the Connection Settings window, look for the list of proxy options and explicitly select the bubble labeled No Proxy instead of using your system's default settings. Click OK to save your changes, and this will force Firefox to connect directly to the internet, instantly resolving the secure connection block. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.